Hi guys, right, today I'm here to show you our brand new subscription box. This one is number 45 and guess what? It's all about the Create a Card panel dies. Now it makes a minimum of 16 cards, that's a minimum, but what you're also going to be getting is over 100 elements inside. So talking about inside, let's dive straight in and have a look to see exactly what you're going to be getting. All nicely held and contained within our Crafter's Companion box. But if we do go in, you always get your lovely welcome from Sarah, as well as a little thank you card, and it's all nicely wrapped around our Crafter's Companion tissue paper. So let's start off with what it's all about, and that's the panel dies. Now, inside, what you're going to get is 6 dies. So you've got your 6 dies, you've got your main decorative die, an outside die, and a second outside die. That happens to be the same for the additional pattern, main decorative, outside, and second outside. So that's your dies. Then what you're getting is you're getting some sentiment stamps. Now these are so nice for all occasion. Happy birthday, make a wish, yay, celebrate, and so much more. Now you're getting 10 of them. When we go into the assorted ribbons, the assorted ribbons here that you're getting is 9 of them. They're all satin, 3 different colours, but again, they are assorted. We're going to go in with the card blanks. Now what you're getting with the card blanks is 16 of them. However, you are going to be getting the size, which is the A6. You're going to be getting 8 of them, but 4 of them are black and 4 of them are white. If we stick with the card blanks, these ones are 6 by 6. Now again, what you're going to be getting is 8 in total, but you're getting 4 that's white and 4 that's black. Now to go with the card blanks, you need envelopes, don't you? So you've got your envelopes to go with them as well. So that's 16 in total. That's making up the 16 card blanks in total. Then we're going to go into the colour card. So if I go in here with the 8 by 8 colour card, now you're getting 10 sheets and you're getting 5 colours and you're getting 2 of each. So that is what you're going to be getting with the solid colours. Also, what you're going to be getting is your printed papers. Now, these are also 8 by 8. Now, when it comes to the printed papers, what you're getting is 12 of them. You're getting 6 designs and you're getting 2 of each. These are a matte, but you can see you've got that marbled sort of effect on them. So you've got them. Usually, that's where we finish. But guess what? We've got more. If we delve into these ones, we've got some vellums. Now we've got our 6 by 6 vellums here. You have got 6 in total. All of these are a different colour and design. Then we're still going. We have got some of our white cardstock. Yes, this time we're even putting in the white card. So you're getting 8 of these ones. Also 8 by 8 in size, and guess what? Another thing to go, black cardstock. This is also coming included. So no longer do you have to scoot about for some white or black card. We are giving you that as well. 8 sheets of the black card, which is also 8 by 8. So from your black cards, your white cards, your patterned papers, your stamps, your panel dies, all of these can make such incredible projects. You might want to make some little decorative boxes, panel boxes, anything you like, you can be making using all of these dies and stamps, all of which come included with our brand new subscription box, which is number 45, and it is all about the Create a Card panel dies.